Welcome to today's video, and this is part 3 of Countable and Uncountable Nouns. This time, in addition to knowing when to use a or an, we'll also look at using some. Okay, so match the sentences to the pictures. So picture A, Robert has an apple. And it's an apple because there's just one. B, orange juice contains vitamin C, so orange juice is non-count. Dylan likes coffee, so here we're just talking coffee in general. And I have some oranges. So here we have more than one, so we wouldn't say an orange, but some oranges. Alright, so are the nouns countable or uncountable? So Jerry bought a table. So table would be countable. And 2 chairs for his terrace. Chairs are countable. He likes to buy furniture. Furniture is uncountable. Lyle ate an omelet for breakfast, so an omelet is countable. He made it with 3 eggs, so eggs are countable. And some cheese. Cheese is uncountable. Gerald has 3 suitcases. Countable. He's taking his luggage to the airport. Luggage is uncountable. Simone likes to wear jewelry. Jewelry is uncountable. This evening she is wearing a necklace. So necklace is countable. And earrings. Earrings they're always plural. Well, actually, no, you could have 1 earring, so these would be countable. Edward, please take a toothbrush. So toothbrush is countable. And toothpaste, uncountable, to brush your teeth. To make pancakes, pancakes are countable. You need flour, uncountable, butter, uncountable, milk, uncountable, and sugar, uncountable. Use a knife. Knife is countable. To cut the potatoes and carrots. Potatoes and carrots are both countable. And put the vegetables, countable, in a pot and add water. So pen is a countable noun. I need a pen. Janet has 2 pens. He has some pens in his pencil case. So some can be used if the number is not known or not important. Okay, there are some trees in the garden. That is correct. There are some beautiful trees in the garden. It's also correct. But you cannot say there is some tree or there are 3 some trees. So you either have to say there are 3 trees or there are some trees, but you can't combine those 2. Alright, so now use some plus these countable nouns. The first one is already completed. We're going to a restaurant tonight. You can bring some friends. So I want to buy some new shoes. There are some boys playing in the park. And today is my birthday. I got some presents from my family. And you can use some with uncountable nouns. Would you like some coffee? I need to buy some bread. Eliza and Frank always put some sugar on their cereal. So an and some. So if you have a singular countable noun like lemon, you would say a lemon. And an uncountable noun, you can say some rice. For plural countable, you can use some lemons. And again, uncountable has no plural form. Do you have a new car? There are some bottles on the shelf. I need some money to buy groceries. All right, so would you use an, or some with these nouns? So we would say some flour, a stamp, some soap, a flower, some perfume, a postcard, a comb, some hair gel. Okay, now you're going to fill in the gaps with an, or some. So Hillary went to the shop and bought an apple, 2 bananas, some oranges, and some orange juice. To make this recipe you will need some flour, some sugar, and a lemon. I wrote a postcard today. Can you go to the post office and buy some stamps? Beatrice loves shopping. Today she bought a hat, some shoes, a dress, and some perfume. I'm going to the corner shop to buy a newspaper, a pen, and some pencils. All right, so would you like some oranges? Would you like some cheese? Would you like a cookie? Would you like some grapes? And would you like some chocolate? Okay, David bought some shoes and some jeans today. Con wants to buy a computer game for his birthday. I bought some flowers for my grandmother. You need to put some salt in the food. And I would like some ketchup with my French fries. I'm going to open I'm going to open a window to get some fresh air. I have some homework tonight. There is a lake in that big park. Winter is coming. There are some leaves on the ground. And he turned on a light when he came home. So hey, I've got some good news. Tomorrow is a holiday. Can you please go to the shop and buy me some paper? Well, this one could be either. If you want like a newspaper to read, you would say a paper. And if you want paper to put in your printer, you would say some paper. So this one really depends on the meaning. I'm thirsty. Can I have some water? There are some horses in the field. Oops. S-E-S. They are eating grass. I have some good, I hope we have some good weather tomorrow. I don't like the cold. Right, so now take a few minutes and look at this picture and just describe what you see. There's some juice, there's some apples, and then just practice saying what you see using a, and, or some, or nothing. There is some snow. There are some books. There is some food. And there is some space. So countable would be a cake, a potato, uncountable or countable plural, some cakes, some potatoes, and uncountable, some cake, some potato. So which is best, a, an, or some? So here we would have some chocolate, and because this is just one piece of chocolate candy, we would say a chocolate. This one is a sugar, so it's like a sugar cube, and some sugar. This would be some chicken, I think, and a chicken, maybe. And many uncountable nouns are a whole that is made of different parts. So a chair is countable, a table is countable, but a chair and a table together would be considered furniture, which is uncountable. A mountain is countable, a river is countable, but a mountain and a river that make up scenery is uncountable. So match the countable nouns, the uncountable nouns in the pictures. So picture A would be male. Picture B, cash. Picture C, garbage. Picture D, equipment. And picture E, clothing. And now complete the sentences. John has some special equipment. Oops. To go hunting. We are going to the mountains tomorrow, so please bring some warm clothing. The neighbors have left some garbage outside their house again. She always puts on some makeup before going to the office. The postman delivered some mail to our house today. Do you have some cash? We don't take credit cards. And so many food and drink items are uncountable. So liquids like soup oil, I'm not sure what that is, juice maybe, are all uncountable. And there are some solids also, like chili, ice, meat, which are uncountable. So pasta, uncountable. Lemonade, uncountable. Avocados, countable. Ice cream, uncountable. Guacamole, uncountable. And tomatoes, countable. All right, so now you'll complete these using either am, or some. So to make a lasagna, you need some lasagna pasta, some meat, some garlic, and an onion. Would you like some guacamole with those corn chips? You will need to add a tomato before you cook it. My mom gave me some yogurt for breakfast. Yuck, I wanted some cereal. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share. And if you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.